Hello friend, welcome back to MiniCooper Garage. Here we are creating place for you which will have the most comprehensive information about the Mini Coopers, including reviews, maintenance, service, repair and more. And if you own a Mini Cooper, arguably most important thing to do is keeping an eye on your engine oil. So let's go together in this video to see how it's done correctly. The first what you have to do is to make sure you park on the perfectly leveled surface. The next will be the opening hood, and if you don't know how to do it on Mini Cooper, you can check it out in our different video. The next thing is you have to make sure that the engine was not running for at least 5 minutes, and to perform this procedure you will be using the engine oil dipstick. So what I will do, I will pull it out, and the first thing I will do is to look at the quality of the oil. And I can see clearly here that the oil was replaced recently, which confirms what the previous owner told me, and definitely there is some miles left on this oil. Now I'm going to wipe off clean this dipstick so there's no remaining oil on it, and I will enter it all the way inside in that tube. And now when I will pull it out, I will be measuring the quantity of the oil. And you can look with me right here. The oil is perfectly touching that max level right here. So I can see this engine has perfect amount of engine oil. So I got lucky in this case. I don't have to add any oil for this engine, and I'm perfectly good to keep driving this vehicle. Now if you read your owner's manual, the amount between the minimum mark and maximum mark in this engine, if you need to add oil and you are on the minimum, it's approximately 1.1 quarts. Now if you need to add the oil, you might ask what kind of oil I'll need to put. These engines in this generation are using full synthetic oil, and it's a 5W30. I personally will be putting in those Mobile 1. That will be my choice. And that's basically it for checking quality and quantity of engine oil on your Mini Cooper. I hope you find this video helpful, and make absolutely sure you are subscribed, because we are making ton of videos for you about the service, maintenance and repair on the Mini Coopers, and it will be all located on this channel. Thanks for watching today and have a wonderful day.